What's up, guys? We're back here at the shop, but today, instead of working on the Hellkeezy, we're working on this Raptor. So if you don't know, before I got the Hellkeezy, I made a post about this. I pulled the whole interior apart and everything, and it's all going out to carbon fiber, but we've been waiting on this pallet right here. So this is from SVC in California, and this is my buddy's truck. I'm building it for him, and I just got this in, so now the build begins. So in here is fenders, intercoolers, a whole bunch of stuff. So let's open this thing up, and I don't know, let's check out what we got going for this thing. It's going?
Yeah.
All right, so this pallet just came from California, from, like I said, SVC. And if you don't know who that is, they're like really big into Raptors and pre-runner stuff, all in California. So this took about 2 months to get, a month and a half to get. So this Raptor's just been hanging out here, and we're waiting on the carbon fiber stuff to come back. So if you don't know, this whole interior is going all carbon. The wheel's gonna be carbon. Everything on it is going up carbon, so you can go check out the last video and I'm pulling it all apart. But let's continue opening this up and see what we got in here. I think there's a lift kit in here, there's fenders, and there's an intercooler. There might be a little bit more, I don't really know. Like I said, this is my buddy's truck, so he's the one that ordered all this stuff, and then I'm the one building it for him. So let's open this thing up. Look at them wide body fenders. So we got the Raptor going wide body, we got the Hellcat going wide body. You know, that's how we do it around here. Everything get that wide body. All right, so this is the right flare. Here, come over here, I'll show you how this goes on. So this is all fiberglass. I think it's a +3 fender. So this sits, this sits a lot wider. The whole front end's gonna sit way more stanced out. And also the reason you do this is so you have more travel. So when you're hitting bumps, big whoops and all that good stuff, you don't crush in your fenders. So let's keep opening this stuff up and see what else we got. Here's the second fender. And I think this, oh, we got bumpers too, I forgot. So we got front and rear bumpers as well. All right, so this is the pre-runner front bumper from SVC. They manufacture all this stuff. And this thing's no joke. This thing's pretty heavy duty. All right, I'm guessing this is the intercooler. When you want to tune and do a full exhaust on here to get the most power, you gotta run an intercooler too. So I think that's what this is. I guess let's see. We're not gonna open up too much. Yeah, as you can see, this is the intercooler. Definitely big. To make big power, you have to run an intercooler. So that's what that is, because we're doing an exhaust, tune, all that stuff. So this was a must. All right, guys, so what these are the coil spacers, because this is gonna be like a 3-inch lift to clear the bigger wheels. I think we're gonna do 37s. This is like the coil spacer. It goes up in the coilover. So we're gonna run stock coilovers, and we're gonna run bigger wheels. So this is pretty much the lift kit. All right, guys, so we got everything now for this project. We're still waiting on our wheels, but that's all we're gonna do for today. I really don't have time to start working on this thing, but I'm gonna catch you guys here tomorrow, and we're gonna start getting these back bumpers on, or the front bumper and the back bumper, hopefully. And then also we're waiting on the exhaust that comes in this weekend, but this thing's gonna get put together and it's gonna be super sick. So make sure to stay tuned, smash that subscribe button. And for the Hellkeezy, I'm waiting on the parts. They come in Monday. Today is Friday, so those come in next week. So this weekend we're gonna focus on this truck and try to get some stuff on this thing. So I'll catch you guys back here tomorrow, and we're gonna start working on this thing. All right, guys, we're back here. It's the next day, and we're gonna get these bumpers on. So that's the plan. Let's get the rear. I guess we're gonna start, maybe attack the rear first, or maybe the front, I don't know. But let's get it pulled up and start working on this thing. So here we go. All right, guys, so we got the truck all pulled up. We got the front bumper out, we got the hardware out, and I guess let's start ripping this thing apart and getting this front bumper off. So we're gonna pull the stock one off first, and then figure out how to bolt that one up. So let's get at it and hopefully get this thing bolted up. All right, guys, so we just want to go slide this thing on. I assume this wasn't bolt on, but it looks like this bumper bracket is all in the way. So I'm guessing I got to cut this, but I'm going to do a couple, I'm going to double check online, but I have a good feeling we're going to have to grind this off on these welds. So no big deal. We look it up online, and then hopefully we get this thing done. Look at this. All right, so we're watching a video, and this man is chopping the whole front of the frame off right here. So I'm gonna call them before I start chopping the frame off. So, because that's not the same bumper. This is like a race line, but I assume it's the same as this one, like pretty much close. But I'm gonna have to get some info before I start chopping this thing apart. So I guess I'm gonna call them and then figure out what we're gonna do. All right, guys, so it's Saturday, and I guess they're not open right now. SVC is located in California, so I called them, no answer. Before I start chopping this up, I want to get word with them and figure out exactly what I need to do. But we're going to flip this thing around and start working on the rear end. So let's spin this thing around and back this thing in. Yo, check out what we got going on in here. So his steering wheel, I forgot about this. His steering wheel went off to carbon fiber. So I bolted up my Corvette old steering wheel because I put a carbon fiber wheel on my Corvette. And that's what we're rocking with. Like, we got the Corvette wheel with no airbag or nothing, which is kind of funny. But you know, we had to drive this thing while all this stuff's at carbon fiber. But that stuff comes in like a week, so you guys will be seeing a video on that. But I guess that we're all backed in, so let's start pulling this back bumper off. All right, guys, so we got the back bumper on. It's all bolted up. All the sensors are in. Everything's clipped in. Everything's plugged in. It's all good to go. So that's gonna be a wrap for this video. It's getting late. We don't got any more time to do anything else. The front bumper, I got to figure out where to cut the frame and whatnot to get it on. I'm not really sure. I'm gonna have to call them and figure that out. But the back bumper looks great. Honestly, I'm trying to figure out where the rear license plate goes. I'm not sure. I guess I'm gonna have to figure that out. But it looks great. And yeah, I mean, I guess that's gonna be it for today. So next episode on this Raptor is probably gonna be the carbon fiber interior and also putting this on. I'm not exactly sure when all that stuff comes in, but I'm gonna talk to them Monday and figure out how that goes on. So truck's looking great. It's coming together and it's gonna be a sick build. And for the Hellkeezy, what's going on with this thing is we're waiting on parts. Those come in Monday. So once we get the parts in, we're gonna get that thing finished up too. So we got a lot going on around here, and we're getting it done as quick as possible. So I appreciate all y'all watching, and make sure to subscribe. So I'll catch y'all later. Peace.